ha ha ha. So Dorothy and her friends are going to get their stuff. Well, I'm not going to. Alright, I got a spell to stop Dorothy and her friends from getting their stuff. Alright, crystal ball, please make huge wave so Dorothy and her friends will never ever catch me. Ha 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 ha. Oh no, Scarecrow, do you hear that? Oh no, there's a giant wave coming. Timon, hurry! Roll, Timon, roll! There's a huge wave coming up. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, there's a giant wave, Timon. Yeah, there's a giant wave behind us. I better keep rolling. Yeah, roll, Timon, roll. Oh, we're almost there. Well, ooh, we made it. Oh, ugh. Yeah, finally we made it. Is that right, Timon? Timon? Oh no, hey, you guys, I think it looks like the Timon's arrested from the huge wave. Oh no, Dorothy left the Timon's arrested. Oh my, he sure is. Arrested from this huge wave. Well, I know who did this. It must be Wicked Witch of the West. She used a crystal ball, like she can see us. Then if she can do some dirty tricks on us. Yep. So that's how the witch is trying to stop us, because we really need to get our stuff back, right, Scarecrow? Yes, Dorothy.